Hey guys, it's Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this tube dress. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Itshlengy I'm, and I do skincare videos, hair and fashion videos. But for now, I'm more focused on fashion videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get to the video. So you're gonna need a cute stretchy material. So I got the straps one because I love straps. So this dress is one of the easiest dress to make, guys. It's not complicated, it's very easy, and I always tell you to use a dress that you already have as a pattern instead of buying patterns all the time. It costs a lot of money, so I just use my pink dress that I already have to measure my size because I already have the dress. This dress took me about 30 minutes to do it because I was just cutting out the dress for both sides to be equal, and then going to sew both sides as well as trim the top and the bottom. So now I'm just pinning it down so that I can be able to sew all the way from the top, from the sides and from the bottom. So now I'm done. Now I'm going to insert an elastic band on the top so that my dress can be also stretchy and comfortable when wearing it. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a heart if you liked this video, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.